Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see simple map and field map in Power BI. In the previous tutorial we have seen a different type of map like column chart, bar chart and other type pie chart, donor chart. These kind of chart we have seen in the Power BI and how we utilize those chart in the Power BI and what all are the format we can do all over those chart we have seen in the previous tutorial. And apart from this we have seen like how we can export the data from those chart into the CSV format, and like if we want to compare particular like chart value, then also we have seen in the part 5. So I recommend you please before proceeding with this tutorial series, go through all the tutorial like part 5 and 6 before looking into this tutorial. So agenda of this tutorial is like we will see like what is the simple map in Power BI, then we will see like what is the field map in the Power BI. So let's go to the Power BI application which we have installed in our system. So this was the chart which we have implemented in the previous tutorial. It is nothing but a stack column chart that we have implemented into the previous tutorial. So in this tutorial let's create another sheet from here, and let's take the simple map chart first. So when you will take this map chart, expand it first so we can see it fully. So now we have already utilizing the financial sheet from the previous tutorial, so we are continue with that sheet only. And for the creating a chart, what kind of data we required a geographical data. Basically the meaning of the geographical data is like we should have the comparison. Basically like if we are going to create a map chart, then we should take location like country, state, or any latitude or longitude. So this kind of like any pin code and postal code, so these data is required for creating a map chart in the Power BI desktop, otherwise it will give the error. But if you have the data, this kind of geographical data with the different column, then what you can do, like suppose now this discount column is there, but this discount column contains some country name, but the column name is the different. So when you will click on this column, you will see one bar called column tools. So in the data category we have to assign like what kind of data it is. So when you will expand this one, so currently it is showing latitude and longitude. So basically it's a numeric number, that's why it is not showing all the option. What I will do, I will take this discount bar, and here summarization is not there, that's why what we have to do, we have to give the category like it's a address, like address column, place column, city column, country column. So like this, like suppose this discount band in this column contain some city names, but the column name is different. So what we can do, we can give the category like what kind of category it is, and then we can utilize to create that map. So in that way it works. But if that data is not defined, then this Power BI desktop map will give the error. So let's create this map here. So what I will do, in the location I will take the country. So when I will take the country here, like we can see there are different country we are having in this Excel. So all those are in small round figure. We can see like this is for Canada and this is for United States of America, Mexico. So these all country we are using currently in our Excel sheet. But like if we want to see in the zoom, so one thing like from here we can do like focus mode. So once I will do, it will be expanded, and if we want to go back, we can go from here. And if we will double click on this also, like if we will double click, then also we can zoom and we can see it. So let's now what I will do, like these all are the countries mapping, but I want to show the profit as per the country wise. So what I will do, I will take this profit column from here and I will put it into the size. So once I'll put into the size, we can see all these round figure has bigger now, and we can see like country is the France and the profit is this much. So all the as per the country, the size of this is increased. Now what I will do, like as per this background color, it is a blue, so it is not looking good. So what we can do in the format, we can change the color of the data. So instead of this, what we can use, we can utilize any other color. So now the data is showing fully. So in this way we can create our map, like map chart into the Power BI. So these all are the steps, and yeah, as per the requirement we can utilize the format, means the properties. Now if I want to show like the toolbar on this, so like we can show that as well, like what all are the properties required for us. All the property we can show, like any category if you want to show, then we can click on the category, like category on, and we can see the country name, like for which country the data is showing in which format. So that is the simple map into the Power BI. Now suppose I want to change this simple map into the field map. So basically like this is the field map. Here we can see when I will click on this field map, so this data will be converted into the field map. So see here basically now it is showing for Canada, but when I will go for the simple map, it is going for this like as a round. But if I will go the field, then it will fully cover that country. Like when I will click on this, it will fully cover. And if I want to see for the USA, then we can scroll this side and we can see, like if I will scroll in this way, we can see this is the Europe, and like this is the Europe. So we can see data in this manner. Like if I can expand it and minimize it, so in that manner we can do. And any like filter is also there, so based on that we can remove and add filter to this like chart. And if you want to go back from here, you can do undo. So like we will go into the previous position. So in that way, like we can show the data for the field graph. So this defined for the field map. So in this way actually we can create our data into the Power BI application for the field map and the simple map. So if you have any question or doubt regarding to this, please comment. Thank you.